Hey everybody, welcome to the start of a tradition. This is the very first trip I took with my father. We were both fairly green riders at the time, so we wanted to do a trip that was relatively easy, yet very, very scenic. You can see from the map here, we started in Calgary and we worked our way out through Banff, down through Cranbrook and New Denver, and over to Kamloops eventually. From there we went up north through Wellsgrey Provincial Park and over to Jasper and down the Parkway, which is one of the most scenic drives I think there is in Canada. It was a very good trip. We took 7 days to do it. Unfortunately it rained on us for 5 of them, but still a trip full of memories and I had a great time. Unfortunately for this trip, all I had was a camera, so I've only got still photographs. I hadn't bought a GoPro yet, I think that was a few years in the future, but I think most of these pictures turned out well and will leave a lasting memory for me and my family for years to come. So sit back, grab your drink, and hold on tight as we run through this musical montage tribute to our start of a tradition.
For most of this trip, we've been suffering cold and been getting rained on and off. The warmest days we had were the first day when we went down the Invermere Parkway, and the last day once we got to Banff after coming off the Icefields Parkway. The temperature had warmed up a little bit. By the time we'd gotten to Jasper, we were both cold, wet, and tired. We found a hotel room and we had to make sure it had a hot tub. We both spent close to 2 hours in that hot tub trying to get the chill out of our bones. However, that is still better than a good day at the office. Spirit Island is actually world famous to photographers. It's a place where they come from all over the world to catch pictures of this place. Obviously, I'm not a professional photographer and I can't do it justice, but this is a beautiful area. It's worth the boat trip out as it's a spectacular ride and the end scenery is great. We ended our trip with a tour down the Icefields Parkway. This runs from Jasper, Alberta down to Lake Louise. There is so much scenery in here, it is just amazing. I recommend everybody take a trip down this, even if you have to do it in a horse and buggy. It's worth it. The only downfall is in the summer it does get quite congested, but again, you have to ride slowly, you get to look at the sights a little longer. You do have to watch out for bears, as there are a lot of them on this road. While the pictures capture all the beautiful scenery, they don't capture the best parts of the trip. The beers I got to drink with my father and the conversations that we had are going to be the most treasured memories I have from this trip.